So in order to remove all the calcium deposits from the bottom of the tank, I attached a hose to the shop vac, and then I attach a second plastic tubing to be able to go inside here and suck as much as possible. So I took a lot of it already, but this is still some in there, and the only way to get it out is like making some kind of scoop with the, what I done before is use a hanger and just make some kind of spoon out of it, and then with aluminum tape I want to show once it's done.